Hi guys, how are you today? Welcome to your English class. My name is PerlaVazquez. I hope you enjoy and you learn a lot. If you have any question or any doubt, please let me know during the virtual class. So today we are going to do a quick review in order to remember the topic that we saw the last class. So let's start. So the last class we saw the grammar part from Unit A. We learned the use of to, either, so, and neither. And we are going to review. So to and either. We can express similar opinions using to and either. We use to at the end of affirmative sentences. For example, I like sushi. I like sushi too. We use either at the end of the negative sentences to express similar opinions. For example, he doesn't watch TV. I don't watch TV either. So remember, we are going to use to and either to express similar opinions. We are going to use to with affirmative sentences, and we are going to use either with negative sentences. To and either we are going to write at the end of the sentence. For example, I like sushi too. I don't watch TV either. So now we are going to review the use of so and neither. We can also use these expressions, so and either, to express similar opinions. With most verbs, we use the auxiliary do in the expression. So we use so with affirmative sentences. For example, I have a headache, so do I. We use neither with negative sentences. With negative sentences, the word neither eliminates the need for not. So here we have so and neither we are going to use to express similar opinions. So and neither we are going to write at the beginning of the sentence. The difference is that so we are going to write or we are going to use with affirmative sentences and neither we are going to use with negative. For example, I have headache, so do I. I don't have a calculator, neither do I. When we use neither, we have to eliminate the word not. Yes? Like here. We use be to express agreement with sentences with be as a main verb or an auxiliary verb. For example, I'm a big fan of Formula One, so am I. We're studying for the math exam, so are we. They aren't going to the movies, neither are we. Modals like can, should, and would are also used in this expression. For example, I can run kilometer in 6 minutes, so can I. You should drink more water, so should you. I wouldn't eat a bug, neither would I. So remember, if we use a modal verb here, we have to use here can, should, and would. And we are going to learn the use of me too and me neither. It's common in spoken English to express similar opinions or circumstances with expression me too, or for negative sentences, me neither. For example, I like dancing, me too. He doesn't watch TV, me neither. So we are going to use me too with positive sentences and me neither with negative sentences. And we are going to use to express similar opinions. Okay? If you don't have any question or any doubt, now we are going to do an exercise. So if you have your book, you can open on page 114. If you don't have it, don't worry. You can use your notebook and you are going to write your answers there. So here we have grammar. You are going to answer exercise number 1, 2, and 3. So the first one says, read and mark the correct option. You are going to read this. Says, dear campers, the welcome ceremony is at 4 p.m. at the picnic area. Come and meet the other campers and enjoy some snacks and drinks. See you there. Sincerely, Pamela Jacobs, Camp Director. So now you are going to put a tick in the correct activity. Remember, if you have your book, you can do it here. If you don't have it, don't worry. You can do the activity in your notebook. Remember, you are going to write activity number 1 and the answers. So the first one says, what is the activity? We have birthday, a field trip, or summer camp. So you are going to choose the correct answer. Then says, what is at 4 o'clock? A welcome ceremony, dinner, or a fishing class. So you are going to choose the correct answer. Number 3, who can campers meet there? Other campers, their relatives, or camp instructors? And number 4, what else can campers do at the event? Play music, sing songs, and eat snacks. So you are going to choose the correct answer. If you have your book, you are going to put a tick. If you don't have it, you are going to write number 1, and you are going to write the correct answer. So then you are going to do the activity number 2 that says, read and complete the dialogues, then underline the sentences with to and either. So first, you are going to complete this conversation with these words. We have been, but, from, have, meet, and were. And says, hi, Alex. Hi, I'm Alex. Laura, I'm Laura. Nice to you. Are you from Colorado? You? I'm Colorado too. You've been this camp before? No, I've never here. I've never been here either. It looks pretty cool. So you are going to complete the conversation with these words. And then you are going to underline the sentences with to and either. So you have to read, you have to identify, and you have to underline. Yes? If you have your book, you can answer here. If you don't have it, you have time to copy this activity in your notebook. And then we have activity number 3. Says, read and circle the correct option. Here we have number 1. We just arrived yesterday. I just got here too, or either. So you are going to choose the correct option. Number 2. I don't like waking up early. I don't like it much too, or either. Number 3. I'm not good at fishing. I'm not too, or either, but they help us. And number 4. I love cooking on a campfire. I do too, or I do either. So you are going to choose the correct option. Here we have a chart that says to and either. We can express similar opinions or circumstances using to and either. We are going, for example, I like camping too. I don't like fishing either. So then you are going to go to the next page, page 115. And in this page, we have another chart that says so and neither. We can also use expressions with so and neither to express similar opinions. I swim well, so do I. She can sing, neither can I. And we are going to listen and we are going to complete. Yes? So pay attention.
Track 37. Did you know? Teens listen to Track 37. Did you know? Teens listen to music for an average of 2.5 hours per day. 72% of teens use social media to chat with friends. 75% of teens use social media or watch TV while doing their homework. Teens spend on average only 4 minutes of free time per day reading. Only 10% of teens spend time outdoors on a regular basis.
Okay, so we are going to listen again and we are going to complete this. I'm going to do this short in order that you can see better because maybe you don't have your book. Yes, in that way you can see better. So you have to read and you have to listen and complete. So we have teens listen to music for an average of hours per day. Percent of teens use social media to chat with friends. Percent of teens use social media or watch TV while doing their homework. Teens spend on average only minutes of free time per day reading. Only percent of teens spend time outdoors on a regular basis. So we are going to listen and we are going to complete. If you have your book, you can answer here. If you don't have it, don't worry. Write the answers in your notebook. You are going to write activity number 4 and you are going to answer. So listen.
Track 37. Did you know? Teens listen to music for an average of 2.5 hours per day. 72% of teens use social media to chat with friends. 75% of teens use social media or watch TV while doing their homework. Teens spend on average only 4 minutes of free time per day reading. Only 10% of teens spend time outdoors on a regular basis.
Okay, do you need to listen again? If you pay attention, you have to write numbers in the spaces. So focus on the numbers that you heard. It's the last time that I'm going to put.
Track 37. Did you know? Teens listen to music for an average of 2.5 hours per day. 72% of teens use social media to chat with friends. 75% of teens use social media or watch TV while doing their homework. Teens spend on average only 4 minutes of free time per day reading. Only 10% of teens spend time outdoors on a regular basis.
Okay, so remember that your answers have to take a picture and you have to send to my email. If that's it for today. If you have any question or any doubt, please let me know during the virtual class. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the Zoom class. Bye.